Well, guys, what is up? Another day, another package. Can't wait to see what's in here. Alright, so today we got another package in the mail, and it's got to be only one thing. Spinmaster Monster Jam trucks. So this is probably going to be the last trucks I get in February, just because today is February 27th, and yeah. So I don't think I'm going to get any tomorrow, and I really can't wait to see how these look. So yeah, so with that being said, we're going to jump so the package is open. Alright, so as you saw, I was struggling with the scissors, so that required both hands. Anyway, so we got nice packaging here. We got some styrofoam pieces, we got some extra cardboard, and I'm not going to be able to lift this out with one hand. That kind of sucks, but enjoy the red rug. Alright, so here we go. This is a nice little packaging assortment here. It's kind of weird. So they're actually like taped in there too. Wow, he did not joke around on these. So yeah, basically, the fire and ice trucks are extremely rare for some reason in Jersey and basically everywhere besides Texas and California. That's about it. Wow, he really taped this. I mean, that is some excellent packaging. But yeah, I don't know why these are so rare. If you guys have them, consider yourself lucky. Obviously, if you live in like Texas or California, you guys probably have these already. But oh man, all right, there we go. They're free, kind of. So yeah, as you can tell, what they are: Phoenix. I mean, Wildfire. Why do I keep calling you Phoenix? And Yeti. So these are completely wrapped in bubble wrap, which is pretty sick, I guess. I mean, he really. Wow, there's so much tape on this. All right, so I'm just gonna slide these out and get a better look. Alright. Here they are. Yeah, that's pretty sick. Dude, I love the way Wildfire works. So, works, wow. So here's the back of the box. I don't know if the back of these boxes are different, but this one shows El Toro and Zombie, but the main focus is right here, Yeti and Wildfire. These trucks look amazing. This is actually going to complete the set for all the fire and ice trucks that are currently available right now. And these look, dude, I love the way Wildfire looks. Just look at that. That's pretty sick. So I'm going to have a pretty much in-depth review on these in a couple days. So yeah, these will basically be the last trucks I get for February. So tomorrow I'll probably release the February collection video just to get that out. And guys, I got a lot in February. Wow, that's crazy, just thinking about it. But yeah, so this is going to do it from the mix 2. Oh no, it's ripped. Ah, I was going to try to save this one, but whatever. Yeah, so basically, yeah, I basically keep one in the package, and I'll open another one. I was going to keep this one, but if this is going to be ripped right here, I want it to be like mint. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you like this. This is my, third unboxing video. And yeah, hopefully you like it, and hopefully if you guys don't find these trucks yet, hopefully you'll find them really soon. I mean, I've been going to Walmarts all over basically the tri-state area, and I cannot find a single fire and ice truck, Gravedigger, or anybody. So hopefully you guys will find these pretty quick or pretty soon. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. And wow, look at the wings on that. Dude, I love this truck. But yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, subscribe, like, and comment. So, peace.